Plywood is one of the most commonly used building materials in the world. But how does a thick wooden log turn into those thin, strong, layered sheets we see in construction and furniture? In this video, we're taking you inside a real veneer mill to show exactly how plywood starts its journey, from raw logs to ready-to-use veneer sheets. It's a fast, precise, and surprisingly complex process, and it all starts with choosing the right logs. At the factory, specially selected logs are delivered to the log yard. These logs must be straight and of consistent diameter to make the most efficient use of each piece. From the yard, they're loaded onto a deck that feeds into a large machine called a debarker. As the name suggests, the debarker removes the rough outer bark of the logs, exposing clean, smooth wood underneath. This is crucial for the next steps, as bark could damage machines or cause defects in the veneer. Once debarked, the logs are trimmed into specific lengths, usually just over 103 inches. These trimmed sections are called blocks. Next, these blocks are sent into steam-heated vats or vaults, where they are cooked for around 16 hours. After heating, the blocks are loaded into a lathe system. Then a pendulum mechanism lifts the block into a high-speed lathe, which spins the log and begins peeling it, much like unrolling a giant sheet of paper. This creates a continuous ribbon of thin wood called veneer. It's a mesmerizing process to watch as solid wood is transformed into flexible sheets in just seconds. As the veneer ribbon moves down the conveyor, it passes through a clipper. The front edge of the ribbon often has defects, so the clipper automatically trims those sections off. Then the remaining veneer is sorted based on moisture content. This is a critical step. If sheets with different moisture levels go into the dryer together, some will overdry while others will need re-drying, wasting both energy and time. So each sheet is stacked with others of similar moisture content for consistent drying. The stacked veneer enters a large industrial dryer that runs nearly non-stop throughout the week. The goal is to reduce the moisture level to 8% or less, ensuring the wood is stable and ready for bonding in plywood manufacturing. Once dried, each sheet passes through an automated grading system. This system uses scanners and sensors to assign a grade to every piece based on quality, texture, and appearance. When a stack is full, it's ejected automatically, ready for final handling. Finally, the graded sheets are strapped, bundled, and stored indoors to keep them clean and dry. From here, the veneer sheets are shipped to plywood factories where they are glued, layered, and pressed into the plywood boards used across the construction industry. Whether it's under your floors, behind your walls, or inside your furniture, chances are that plywood started as one of these thin sheets. And that's how plywood is made, starting with a raw log and ending with a precisely engineered building material. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what other factory processes you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.